How to use Swiggy for healthy food delivery. Well, hello everybody, welcome into the channel. Let me guide you through cooking easy and how you can use Swiggy for healthy food delivery. Well, to use Swiggy for healthy food delivery, you can use the dedicated Eat Right section for high protein, low calorie and nutrient dense options from over 2 lakh restaurants or 200,000 restaurants. Simply open up Swiggy application and you can use this Swiggy's Eat Right feature that brings together specialized health-focused meals now available in over 50 cities. So you're gonna first proceed to add in the location, right? Now here I'm not enabling my location, but you'll be able to enable your location and confirm it. So I'm just saving this address right here. So once you open up Swiggy application, you'll find the Eat Right feature down on your screen towards the bottom right, just beside the bottom right corner option. And you'll be able to see the Eat Right features here. You'll be able to see the trends and meals under, and you'll be able to order from here for healthy food. So this is how you can use Swiggy healthy food delivery. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.